Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use this vacuum cleaner just so it could have a video. I've taken everything out of the box, so I'm going to put it together so it can be used for the first time. Of course, this is going to be a pretty simple process. They don't want you to be stuck without using your vacuum cleaner. It should be quick and easy. First thing you want to do is get this long piece here and attach it to this. Let me go ahead and snap that on there. You have the handle pointing that way. Slide it right down like that and push it down till you hear a click. Oh, it kind of snapped in place. Now it's got a couple of screw holes. One screw hole there, one screw hole there. It says put the 2 screws in there. Mine, the 2 screws were taped to the handle. Cross tip screws. Let me go ahead and get those installed. Might have to get you a pair of scissors to cut that off. You could use a flat tip or a cross tip. Screw those right down in there. This is plastic, so don't screw it tight. Just screw it till it's snug. Do 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 do. If you screw it too tight, you'll strip the plastic out of it. If you got an electric screwdriver, be careful you don't drive it down too far. Let me do this with 2 hands. Next, you want to get this little funny looking piece right here. They call it a wand base. You put it in here like that, and you turn it counterclockwise. Lock it in place. It's got a little arrow there showing you how to get it in. Next, you get the flexible hose and you line it up. Got a little nub up top there. Line that in like that, and you twist it just a little bit clockwise to lock it in place. Now you take this hose, you loop it up into this top handle clip here, then you stretch it down and press it onto the bottom like that. Now you can put the slack any way you want. I don't think it matters. Do 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 do, as long as it's locked in like that. Now this has a Febreze filter. If you want to put that filter in, you turn the vacuum cleaner around, push this button how you do if you want to empty it. Then you pull for the filter, lift that up. Then you take this out of the package. Oh, there's one already in there. I guess you would replace this one with that one. So you set the filter up in here. Put that back down. Set this back in here like this. You'll hear it click when you push it in place. And that's that. Next thing you could do is put your accessories on the unit so that they don't get lost. To store this crevice tool, I would put it down in there like that and then store this like that. Now your crevice tool is stored, your dust broom is stored, your power bristle stored, everything's stored the way it needs to be. You just pull the cord out and plug it in. This little plastic thing just comes off. Pull that out, plug it in. That's the power button there. It's got a release here so that you can lock it, let it roll down, and you got to change the depth of your carpet there. To wound your cord in after you pull it out, you push this button there, and that wounds the cord in. To use your attachments, you just unplug this and plug your attachments into that. After the first use, I would consider this vacuum cleaner good. Now the last one I had, I think it was a Kenmore, and it had a little light on it that indicated that you were still pulling dirt up, and you knew the carpet was clean when the light quit coming on. However, this room I don't think it's been vacuumed before, maybe, but I didn't think it was dirty. It was mostly covered. And man, look at all the dirt we got up out of this carpet just now. Now we're in the desert, which is a dirty place, but I had no idea that this much dirt was in this carpet. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump that out. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.